Less Software's fixed asset management application takes your procurement through deployment, through depreciation, through disposal. We'll be looking at that now. Thank you. Less Software's fixed asset management application is built natively on the Force.com platform and can therefore be reported on using the Salesforce.com reports and dashboards. The application allows for assets to have logical relationships around the way that you think about your assets. Like if you have computer upgrades or rental units in the field with your customers or vehicles that you're tracking, they have a logical relationship onto each other. And then at the individual asset level where you have those computer upgrades, they can be further described within the asset group and subgroup. So we understand where they are. There will be a tagging number that's unique to the asset. We think about it in terms of its life cycle. Where did the asset come from? Who did we buy it? Who manufactures it? Is there a warranty provided for us? When did we acquire it? And then in this case, a critical date is when do we begin the depreciation schedule? Who's the accountable person and department and associated company, if you have separate company P&Ls for the asset? How are we depreciating it over time? And there are multiple depreciation methods that have unique formulas. So currently today we are supporting straight lines and double declining balances, some of the years, units of production, which is great for vehicle depreciation, things like that, based on maybe perhaps miles rather than some metric of time. Your depreciation schedule will be generated. And as this one is a sum of the years, it is front-loaded and going out, and as we work with your accounting system, we export these out as journal entries to your accounting system. And so your total depreciation to date plus your book value, if you will, of your asset is the difference between your asset cost and your valuation. At end of life, however the asset is disposed of, if it's recycled, if it's destroyed, if it's donated, where did the asset go? So you have complete life cycle tracking of your asset. Less Software's fixed asset management can be deployed as a standalone application or as part of your enterprise suite from Less Software, natively built on the Force.com platform.